Here we will create a window application for simple data binding with text boxes. For this we will add a new form here and we will add controls on it. Here we have added these controls: item code, item name, quantity and rate. As you know, simple data binding is performed with text box or labels. To make simple data binding, we have to add the data source. So project, add new data source. Then we will select the database. Next, we will make new connection with our database and we will check the test connection and we will select the tables that you want to combine. I will select the item master table. Now to bind with this data source with property window, in data binding option we will select the data source, that is custbill dataset, and from this we will bind it with item code. Now for item name, we will select the item master binding source. Here we will bind it with item name. Then for quantity, we will bind it to quantity, and for rate we will bind it to rate. To execute, we will set it as a startup form. Since we have binded these fields with the item master table, we will get the data from the item master. Here we will get only single record. To get other records, we have to add the binding navigator in our form. For this, we will add the binding navigator. We will add here binding navigator, and binding navigator's data source we will select item master binding source. And when we execute, this is the binding source. If we click here, it will display the second record, third record. If we move to last, it will display the last record. Here it will move to previous records, and here first record. You can add or delete record using binding navigator. To add a new record, click here add new button. It will give blank fields. I will add a new record here. When you click here and you add a record here, the changes, that is the record that you have added, is not reflected in the database. For this we have to update the database. So for this I will add a new button here, which I will use for saving the record in the database. Here I will write a code for updating the data set. For this, first I will write this dot our binding source, that is item master binding source dot end edit, and after this we will update the data set. With this code, our data adapter, that is item master table adapter dot update our data set and the table which you want to update. And when we execute it, I will click here add a new button. I will add record here. And here I will click on save button. And when we execute again, and if I move to last, the new record is added here. Similarly, you can delete record from here. For this also we have to update back it to the database. So on this delete button, I will write the same code. and when I execute, I will move to the last record and I will delete it. The record is deleted.